Hello guys, welcome back to Learn from Home channel. So we are continuing the previous video, and that is a part 2 of designing wedding invitation card using template, okay, in PowerPoint presentation. So in the previous video we came up to this far and we now created the text box. So we're now going to type in everything here. Okay, so now let's start typing. So it's together with their families. So we have Jennifer, right? That is Jennifer Smith, and that is Paul Robinson. Okay, Paul Robinson requires the pleasure of your company at celebration of their wedding. Okay, of their wedding. So that's Robinson. Alright, okay, so we have this here. Now we are going to format this as you see, because when you check this, although it is the same as this, but this looks so ugly, right? So the first one, this is the color. You're going to use this color as well. So this is going to be together, okay, and this is going to be the color. Okay, so this is this the color for? Okay, so let's use this color. So together with the families, now we center this. Okay. Alright, so we center this, and together with the families, then this Jennifer and Robinson are also going to be in the middle. As you can see, this is in the middle. Then we're going to have this in the middle, and this also in the middle as well. Okay, so we are still doing it. Now with this, it's going to be in upper case. So the same home tab, we go to this, that is change case, then go for upper case. Okay, with this you can increase the size, okay, to this side, this font. So I'm thinking with the color, let's try to change the color because I'm not sure that is the actual color. Alright, so that is the actual color. So click on OK. Alright, so that is the length, this is the color. Because when you compare this and that, or they have something in common, right? So together with the families, now with this, let's move this to top. Okay. So together with the families, now with Jennifer Smith, we are going to choose the same color. Same. Oh no, this is the color, right? This is the color. Okay, so the same color. Then with this, let's pick the second one here. Then with this, let's go for the font, and there's a font suitable for that, and the name of that font as a, is it Apple? There's one over here. Let's search for that, and okay, so that's the Lusada calligraphy. Okay, so Lusada, then we pick the same here, or the same font. So you go to this, and it is here the same font as well. Then with this, we can go for something similar. So let's use this Apple Sensory. Okay, Alright, now with this, let's increase. So since I want this to be brighter, I learned we must use this instead. Okay, let's use this instead. Let's use this instead. Okay, so with this, let's bold this and bold that. Whoa. So bold it, and now with this you can now increase the size. Okay, you can increase the size. So we have this. So we want to check there's a space between this and that, and we have the end. So with this end, you can still increase this end, okay, to the size, or you can this, and you can still change this end to a different one. Because when you check the end here, it is in a different style. So let's see if we can get another style suitable for the end. It's going to be nice as well. Then which one is going to be suitable? Is there anyone suitable for this? Alright, so if you're not getting any, then you can decide to use any one of our choice. So let's use this. Okay, so let's use this. Now request the Anna. We are going to change them into uppercase. Okay, then let's expand this to fit. Alright, so for these two, I'm going to use the same thing as well. Okay, so now when done with this, you then go for the next one, that is this line. So let's go for this line, but before that, let's increase the size of this. Okay, so with this, let's increase the size. So let's increase the size. So alright, so it's good. Now here, let's go for calibrate lights. So calibrate lights, okay. Now press the Anna, and now let's go for so now let's go for the line. So as you can see, this line. So where is the line? Go for the shape. Now there's a line here. There's a line. So you now start. There's a line. Now you copy. Now you paste the same line here. Okay. Now with this line, you have the date and the time. So you can still go there. Go to the text box. Now type in the date. So date, and that is give it a September 20th, 22. Right, then let's have time as, let's say 9:30. So 9:30 a.m. Okay, so let's highlight this. Now let's center that. Can increase the size of this. Increase it. Now you bold it, and now you apply the color as well. Okay, so now with this, you can bring it down. You see it's on the top, so you can bring this down to be in the middle. Okay, so you can have it like this. Then what's the next one? That's the wedding day. So go for the same text. Now you type in here wedding day. Now you highlight all. Now you go for the same font style like this. So that is the alright. So this wedding day, we don't want it to be capital letter, but we want sentence capitalize each word. Okay. Then we increase this font. We center this. Then we apply the color as well. Okay. So when done, we now go for location. We now go for location. So with the location, let's see this. As you can see, we have location here. So this is the time we need to go for the location icon. So you go to have location icon here. Then insert it. It's too big, so you minimize it to the preferred you want. So let's see, it is here. Okay, now here, and let's go for that's the protocol as well. So the protocol as well. So let's go for insert and picture from this. Then that's the call. Set it now. Minimize it more. Drag it. So that will also be for the call as well. And now we just click on that and go to the same picture format and go to color. So with the color, you see we have so many colors here. But let's say we want to use this color to suit it. Then you click on this one as well. The same color as well. Then you use the same one. So make sure your colors must be uniform. Don't use multicolors in doing that. So with this, we go for the text. So insert text box. Then you're going to create the location. And on the check, it is what? 82 for the Thompson Road, right? So you're going to type in the same thing here as well. So we have 82. Okay, so to the Thompson Road. Now let's format this. So we go to capitalize each word. So for the Thompson Road, and then the next one is the DPS address. So we have that is the location, right? So DPS address, right? So DPS address. So you have either DT or DL. Okay, so let's assume this is the DPS address. Now with this, you can highlight or that. You highlight all, then you apply the color as well. Okay, then the next one is going to be the call. That's the protocol. But before the call, you must add the protocol. Go to the same thing. Then you type on top here as the protocol. So with the protocol, you can just highlight all. Then you bold it. Okay, bold it. Now with that, you can just copy this, then you paste. Okay, or if you want, what we're going to do is we are going to now type in the alright. So now let's type in the numbers. So let's say 0500. Let's so alright, so we have this numbers here as the protocol. Okay, and this we can still increase the size as well. Can still increase the size. and this is going to be part of this. Or since it is a protocol section, alright, so it might be here, and this shouldn't be what? Bold. Alright, so now with this, you can bold this because it's very important. Alright, and here too you can still add location if you want. You can still add location. Okay, so you can see now our page looks very nice and pretty as well. So that is it to just design the wedding invitation card using a template already. So we've done the first section, we've done this is the last section to just close it off, and we are able to finish it in time as well. So what I'm going to do is in the next video we talk about how to now start with your own design with these flowers, and what the whole page, how to start design with your own, okay, and as well. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll see you in the next video.